Hey guys, it's Bethany Finch with American Made Home Solutions, and it's Win Wednesday. So you can see we're right here on Mission Bay having a mastermind with our Kingdom Capitalists group. Always a fun time, always a great time. And one of the things that we spoke about this week that is so commonly missed is why landlords want to have corporate rentals. Why would they want to have a corporate rental company or an executive rental company like American Made Home Solutions have rentals on their properties, in their apartment communities, or in their single families? Why, and what are those benefits? Number 4 thing is that corporate rentals are oftentimes reporting maintenance requests faster than the average tenant. So just like a corporate rental is being cleaned regularly, we're getting them cleaned by professionals who are doing a great job and regularly deep cleaning and touch-up cleaning just the same, not just a once a year, but on a regular rotation.
They do a nice job over there.
On the maintenance side of things, if there's a leaky toilet or a smoke alarm that's broken or a stove knob that's not working, as a corporate rental, we want everything to be in top-notch condition, working well and doing a great job. So we're going to report those things to the landlords faster, which helps you because then you're able to fix them before they become bigger problems, like an electrical short that's in your stove that caused that one knob not to work, and next thing you know, your whole stovetop isn't working and you end up having to replace a whole unit instead of one knob. Or sometimes a leaky toilet valve that causes a toilet to keep running, right? That's a lot of water expense that sometimes the landlords are the ones paying the water expense. And it can be fixed with just changing out a new flapper valve or something of that nature. So when we report this as a corporate rental, you take care of those things faster, your property stays in better condition, and it lasts longer.
For 100 years.